This 2008 Ford Econoline cargo van is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. 2008 Ford E250 Econoline. Clean Carfax, 5.4 V8 engine. Auto transmission, 2 owners. High ceilings, ladder rack, storage racks and shelvings. Electric inverter, warranty AVAILAB. Good tires all around, clean in and out, runs and drives good, best in class. Service record on the Carfax. We beat everyone in AMP number 39's prices. Warranty available, ask dealer. Nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures. Carfax available on every vehicle. Must see IT. Call now or text 330-475-4817 for more picks and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehous.com or www.importsautoGroup.com for the best deals on cargo van, Chevrolet, Ford E250, Ford E350, Diesel Sprinter van, Dodge Sprinter, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Freightliner Sprinter, Ford Van Diesel, Turbo Diesel. When we say best deals, we mean it. Bank financing available. Use application online or stop by our dealership.